Shoshone Falls, also known as the Niagara of the West, is 212 feet tall and 900 feet wide within the heart of Twin Falls' Snake River Canyon. Taller than Niagara Falls, this impressive waterfall cascades through a deep basalt canyon at Shoshone Falls Park. This natural wonder is one of the most impressive within the United States that I have witnessed, and was flowing significantly compared to my previous trip to Idaho in November of 2023. Throughout the park, you will find a walking path, well-constructed observation deck, as well as numerous viewpoints offering unique perspectives of Shoshone Falls. Open daily from dawn till dusk, with a $5 entrance fee per vehicle. Tourists have been known to visit Shoshone Falls as early as the mid-19th century, when travelers along the Oregon Trail would detour from the trail to visit the falls. As early as 1900, locals called for the creation of a national park. However, Congress never approved the proposal. In 1932, Frederick and Martha Adams donated the land to the city of Twin Falls with the stipulation that the land be maintained as a public park. In 1933, the state of Idaho donated land to the west of the original park site to the city of Twin Falls. Over the next few days, Twin Falls will serve as our hub city as we venture out into southern Idaho. This region of the state is home to numerous state parks, scenic byways, volcanic caves, City of Rocks National Reserve, Castle Rock State Park, and more. For this trip, we stayed at the same hotel as the last time, Best Western Plus. This is a very affordable option close to the Perrine Bridge, restaurants, and other points of interest. Alright guys, welcome to Twin Falls, Idaho. As you guys can see from behind me, I'm literally in the same exact room that I was in on my last adventure about 7 or 8 months ago in November. And yeah guys, it's been an action-packed day. Really, we got a lot of great things done. We visited the Bruno Sand Dunes, Balance Rock, as well as Balance Rock Park. Now we're gonna go get some dinner at Elevation 486, which is one of the best restaurants in Twin Falls. Then afterwards, we're gonna check out Shoshone Falls as well. For sunset, I'm gonna fly the drone. So join me for an all-new evening here in Twin Falls. Yeah, the water flow's good this time. Not like in November.
Oh man.
Yeah, here, you film this part this time.
It's recording. People make wishes here. Oh, they get stuck the money right on the thing. Wow, this is incredible.
Let's go check out the other section of Shoshone Falls. This is the part I didn't get to check out the last time I was here. And the water flow is amazing. Look at this. Oh, what is that? are those dogs? Prairie dogs? Are those prairie dogs? They might be gophers. Look at that picture. Look at that. That's cool.
Alright, this is another part that's actually closed for maintenance, but I'm going to take a walk down here and give you a different perspective of the falls. Yeah, the stone wall is pretty cool. It smells like sewage, actually. I guess I'm putting in some rock or something here. Let's see what it looks like here. Oh, look at this. Whoever's finding it. Giant cave. Wow, this is just amazing. And here's another perspective of the falls.
Thank you for watching our adventure to Shoshone Falls, an iconic symbol of the American West. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support my journey. Next time on Gem State Getaways, I will return to City of Rocks, near Almo, Idaho, one of my all-time favorite destinations.